Hi my divas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheetal. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Have you been afraid of creating a black smoky eye look? Then this video is for you. This is a very beginner friendly classic smoky eye look that I have created in this video. You can easily pull out this look. Anybody can create this look without scaring yourself or anybody else. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So starting off with my face, I have already prepped and primed my face with a moisturizer. Now let's start with the primer. I am using Inside 3-in-1 primer which primes, protects and moisturizes my face. This is an oil-free primer. Taking the required quantity on my fingers and just dotting it and spreading it all over my face, concentrating on the areas where I have open pores. Priming is very important before applying the foundation because the foundation clings on to the primer and it lasts very long and it gives a flawless look. So never skip the primer if you are a beginner. Don't forget your neck because we will be applying foundation on our neck also. For foundation I am using Kiko Milano's Conceal Foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation. You can build the coverage if you want a higher coverage. I'm taking it at the back of my hand and just dotting it all over my face and neck. Now with the help of a foundation brush, just dabbing it. I'm not dragging the foundation because dragging the brush will make my primer move from my face, which we don't want. Blending is the key for a flawless base. So just take your own sweet time and just dab it. Don't forget the neck, also your ears. Now for concealer, I am taking this Kiko Milano concealer in the shade 07. This concealer is an exact match for my skin tone. This will hide my dark circles. Applying it under my eyes and over my eyelids. Now this is a concealer brush. I have broken this but I still use it because I like this brush very much. So just looking upward, looking at the ceiling and then dabbing the concealer, because looking down will form wrinkles under my eyes and the concealer will settle down into my fine lines, which I don't want. We want a flawless base. So just look upwards and then dab your concealer. See, can you see the difference? To brighten my face, using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair. Applying it under my eyes, not taking too much, just the corner of my eyes and the sides of the eyes, then on the bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin and sides of my face. Highlighting the high points of the face will bring the features forward. Now taking the same concealer brush and blending it smoothly, making sure that there are no harsh lines and my base looks smooth and flawless without making my face cakey. Next, to set the concealer, using this translucent powder from Maybelline Master Fix powder. This is how it looks. It's a very fine powder. Now with the help of a sponge, dabbing it under my eyes wherever I have applied the concealer, bridge of my nose, sides of my forehead. Wherever I applied concealer, I am just dabbing it and setting the concealer. so that our concealer does not crease into the fine lines. Spread evenly with the sponge. Now for the rest of my face, using this compact from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Cappuccino. You also get a small puff or sponge in the compact itself. So using that same sponge and setting my rest of my face. Setting the foundation with a compact or a loose powder will give you a flawless base, and if you have oily skin, it will absorb all the oil from your face. Now to contour my face, using this Insight 2-in-1 Duo Stick, which has a contour stick on one end and highlighter on the other end. Now applying this on my cheek area, on the sides of my nose, to slim down my nose, to give a slimmer look to my nose. Then also applying it little bit under my lower lip, then on my jawline, sides of my temples, and little bit on my forehead. Applying it under the lower lip will give a fuller lip look. Now with the same foundation brush, just dabbing it. Always remember, while blending the contour, take it upwards and not downwards. Taking it upwards will give you a chiseled look. And also it will give a lifted look to our face. Contouring the face means bringing the best features forward. Using the foundation brush because it still has some leftover foundation on the brush, and using it will give you a more seamless look. Now for bronzer, using this Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer to add some warmth and give a sun-kissed look to our face with the help of an angle contour brush. Taking some and dabbing the extra on the back of my hand and taking it upwards. Not dragging the face, just dabbing it and taking it upwards with lighter hands. Now let's move on to the eyes. For eyebrows, I'm using eyebrow pencil from Sugar Cosmetics in the shade Jerry Brown. It has a retractable pencil and a spoolie on other end. Brushing the eyebrows with the help of a spoolie. First brushing my hair downwards so that it will be visible for me to fill in the sparse areas. Just filling in the sparse areas and not going for a dramatic look. Then brushing it upwards once again so that the sparse areas are visible and it will be easy for me to fill in the eyebrows. Now for the eyelid, using this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. This will be our primer to our eye look. So just checking in the crease area and the eyelid area and applying it only on the lid area, leaving a space between the crease and the eyelid. Just applying it all over my lid. You don't have to be precise over here because we will be smudging this. Leaving a little bit space between the crease and the eyelid made it easier for me to smudge this and taking it upwards, because had we have applied it all over the lid area, it would have looked like a raccoon eyes, which we don't want. With the help of a smaller blending brush, taking this brown eyeshadow and diffusing the edges of the kajal pencil that we applied over lid area. This is a very smaller, precise blending brush, not using the fluffy brush. And now diffusing the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Blending is the key for a softer and toned down look. Take your own sweet time while blending the eyeshadows, especially on the crease area. Now with the flat shader brush, taking this black eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid to intensify our smoky eye. Again diffusing the edges. Now with a fluffy brush, large fluffy brush, taking this light brown shade and diffusing the edges of the brown color that we applied on the crease to give it a more softer, toned down look. Making sure that there are no harsh lines. Now applying the same kajal pencil on my lower lash line as well. Applying on my upper lash line as well. Now with the same pencil brush, just cleaning the brush. You don't need too much brushes if you want to do an eye look. Just clean it and use it in multiple ways. So I'm doing the same thing, cleaning that pencil brush. Now I will smudge the lower lash line with the same brown eyeshadow that I applied on my crease. Applying brown eyeshadow on lower lash line will tone down the whole eye look, instead of applying the black eyeshadow and making it look like raccoon eyes or panda eyes. Can you see it? How beautiful it looks. Now finishing with a mascara using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You can also curl the lashes and then apply it. Applying on my upper and lower lash line as well. Here you can see that while applying the mascara, I messed little bit and applied it under my eyes. Whenever happens this with you, don't immediately rub the mascara. Just leave it for 10 minutes, let it dry. Then with the help of a spoolie brush, just take this. It will come off easily. Now for the blush, taking this Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight Palette and using this peach blush with the help of a blush brush and applying it all over my cheeks. Taking this blush upwards, giving it a lifted look to my face. Also applying little bit on my nose to give that rosy look. Now taking the highlighter from the same palette with a highlighter brush and applying on the highest planes of my cheeks, under my brow bones, corner of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, sides of my forehead, and little bit on my chin area. Now for the lips, decided to go for nude lips, so using this nude lip pencil on my outer line of my lips, making an outline and filling my lips with the same pencil. Using a nude lip because I want all the attention and focus on my eyes today. Using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Mysterious Mocha and just dabbing it on my lips. Now let's fix our makeup with a makeup fixing spray. This is from Inside and just taking a quick little shower in this spray. Let it dry. And here's the completed look. Let me know how did you like this look. If you enjoyed this look, then please do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have mentioned all my social media links in the description below. So if you want to follow me on social media, please go there and follow. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, take care.